All right, now we've been working on those lower trunk rotations and those pull across. To progress the hip 90-90 exercise is going to look like this. So you can start out, recline back, and drop your knees down, trying to keep about a 90-degree angle at the hips and at the knees. And when you're reclined back, you can kind of just drop side to side. Get that nice stretch, get that nice rotation through those hips. Pausing for 1 to 2 breaths. As you feel like you start to loosen up with this, and you're getting better control, you can work on sitting up taller. And keep working through that. As you keep getting there, if you still can't quite sit up, like this hip on me is a little bit tight, you can always modify with the yoga block and sit on that side. So now you can sit